This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video. Everything that comes inside the box. You have your manual and washers. The nice thing about this machine is everything comes pretty much together. So you don't have to spend hours putting it together like some other brands. And VEVOR always tries to make their products with high quality, using stainless steel anywhere they can. So this is a heavy duty unit. They place the diagram on the top here if you ever need to replace anything, as well as all your specs if there's any failures or anything that comes up with the machine. Now, a great thing about this unit is you guys can use it with a power bank. So if you don't actually have to use it in a house or standard outlet. It is a 3-prong outlet, and if you ever need it to be portable, like in the back of a vehicle, you guys can simply connect it to a power bank system, something like this. This unit is compatible with, so here you can see, once you turn it on, we can see here, 307 watts. You place cup down inside. You'll connect your sealer rolls on here, and basically what it does is it feeds it down through, and you can see the laser there that checks it to make sure everything's good. So it will feed it down through, and you can slap your seal on it. So you can use cup height. So the machine is compatible with 90 mm to 180 mm in height and 90 to 95 mm in diameter. Its operation is easy to use. When you want to set your temperature, you can reset it. You can do auto or manual. You can have manual reset. And there's tons of different things that you guys can set with this. If your cups are made of PP, PE, or PS materials, paper or plastic cups, the sealer can handle them as well. And what's nice is when you power it on and off, the tray automatically comes out. So when you turn it off, it automatically goes right back inside. Again, you can select auto operation or manual. And when you're ready to reseal, it's that simple. So if you had had your cup in there, it would have sealed it nice. This unit is actually quiet. The fans you heard was just coming from our power bank. So as it drew some current, our fans kicked on the power bank. So this unit is actually very quiet. I mean, the only sounds you hear is when you turn it on and off, or you actually go to seal. Of course, make sure you have the right temperature for sealing, but overall, definitely high quality build from VEVOR.